Hello students, I am Rajiv Kumar, your maths teacher, class 11, subject maths, part 1, chapter 5, complex numbers and quadratic equation. Complex number. If x and y are real numbers, then a complex number may be defined as an ordered pair x plus iy and is denoted by z. Z is equal to x plus iy, where x comma y belongs to R and I square is equal to minus 1. I is an imaginary number, and here in this complex number z is equal to x plus iy, x is equal to real part and iy is equal to imaginary part. And now purely real number and purely imaginary number. First part, z is equal to x plus iy is said to be purely real if y is equal to 0. This complex number is said to be purely real if y is equal to 0, because if you put y is equal to 0 in this complex number, then z is equal to x only, and x is real, so it is purely real complex number. Z is equal to x plus iy is said to be purely imaginary if x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0 in this complex number, then z is equal to only iy, so is said to be purely imaginary. And now powers of I. If I having power 1, so is equal to I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to I square into I is equal to minus 1, because I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into I is equal to minus I. I power 4 is equal to I square into I square, and I square is equal to minus 1 and I square is equal to minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1. The modulus of a complex number. The modulus of a complex number mod of a plus ib is equal to under root a square plus b square. The conjugate of a complex number. The conjugate of complex number a plus ib is equal to a minus ib. Every complex number has its own conjugate number, like a plus ib, conjugate number of it is equal to a minus ib. If a minus ib, then the conjugate is a plus ib. So if z is equal to a plus ib, then conjugate of z is equal to a minus ib. The conjugate of any complex number, it may be represented as z bar. If z is complex number, then z bar is conjugate of the complex number. And now start the exercise. Exercise 5.1. Express each of the complex number given in the questions 1 to 10 in the form of a plus ib. There are 10 parts are given in the question. And now solution of the first part. 5i into minus 3 by 5i. Here two complex numbers are given, and in case of multiply, so 5 into minus 5 into 3 by 5 into I into I. 5 cancelled, and then minus 3 I square is equal to minus 3 into minus 1, because I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is here. Minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to 3. And it may be represented as 3 plus 0i, because in question it say you have to express each number in the form of a plus ib. So 3 may be represented as 3 plus 0i. answer. Solution of the third part, I whole power minus 39 is equal to 1 upon I power 39, and 39 may be represented as 4 into 9, 36 plus 3, 39. Division is here. And I upon I whole power 4 into 9 into I cube. It may be represented as, because in case of multiply, power is adding. So is equal to 1 upon I 4 whole power 9 into I cube. And you know I power 4 is equal to 1. So 1 power 9 into I power 4. I power 4, why? Because you have to multiply I and I in numerator and in denominator. Then I power 4 is here and I is here, is equal to I upon 1 into 1, because I power 4 is equal to 1. So I upon 1, it means I, and I may be represented as 0 plus 1I. Solution 8, 1 minus I whole power 4 is equal to 1 minus I square into 1 minus I square. And now opening the square, 1 plus I square minus 2I. It is the whole square of this and it is the whole square of this. And now 1 plus I square is equal to minus 1 and minus 2I. 1 and minus 1 minus 2I. 1 and minus 1 is cancelled, both the bracket, minus 2I and minus 2I is remaining in case of multiply, and minus 2 is equal to 4, and I is equal to I square. So 4 into minus 1, because I square is equal to minus 1. So minus 4, and it may be represented is in a plus ib form. So minus 4 plus 0I, answer. And now question 11. Express as a plus bi. This complex complex expression you have to express a plus bi format. So solution, 1 by 3 plus 7 by 3i plus 4 plus 1 by 3i, close the bracket, minus 4 upon 3 plus I, and here simplify, open the bracket, 1 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3i plus 4 and plus 1 by 3i, and now here open the bracket, minus minus plus 4 by 3 and here plus minus minus I, and now simplify, 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3, it is real part without I, real part is, and plus I 7 by 3 taking as a common in 3 steps. So I common, and then remaining is 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. And you simplify this bracket, then 1 plus 12 plus 4 upon 3, and simplify this bracket, 7 plus 1 minus 3 upon 3 is equal to, this is 17 by 3 plus 5 by 3 I. It is answer. Rest parts do by yourself. Answers are given below. Remaining parts answer are given. Students, solve all the parts, and you have to feel any difficulty, then you can call or message to me. Okay.